What is going on, guys? You might be looking to get a thicker, denser lawn, but the key to unlock healthy turf might not be what you think. You see, most people will focus their efforts on fertilizing and watering, and yes, while those are important, they only make up 2/3 of what I call the lawn care trinity. This missing link might be what is keeping your lawn from reaching its full potential. Let me explain. Okay guys, so stay with me on this one. So a lawn without the full trinity at work is like a soul without grace. It's missing out on so much potential. You see, the water nourishes and the fertilizer feeds, but the cultivation renews. Okay, so what do I even mean when I say cultivations? Cultivation is like the Holy Spirit. It's constantly working to renew, refine, and strengthen what has already been planted. And your lawn needs that same kind of work. So for today, I'm going to show you guys how adding regular cultivations into your lawn care program can elevate your lawn to the next level. I'll be primarily talking about what I consider the holy grail of lawn renewal, the Verticutter. So before we see the Verticutter in action, let me just take you back in time 12 days ago. I was working on my pattern for the Allett Creative Stripes competition, and I have to be honest, my lawn took a beating. After all that mowing, foot traffic, and burning those stripes into the grass, it was in desperate need of some TLC. You can see the lawn is looking unwell, the color is off, I had some necrotic growth, and I had to do a reset on the lawn. So this is the perfect time to bust out the Verticutter and get to work. So I first started with a fresh mow and to start a new pattern and to give some guidelines for the Verticutter. Now if you're unfamiliar with verticutting, much like the Spirit of Truth, it combs through the canopy and removes what is not producing fruit. It reveals what's hiding beneath the surface, things you didn't even know were there. Necrotic growth, weeds, thatch, all of it gets exposed. It clears out the dead, the decaying, the deceptive, the stuff that looks like it's helping but is actually holding your lawn back. So here's the plan. First, I'm going to run the Verticutter over the lawn on a moderate setting, just deep enough to cut the unwanted material out. After that, I'm going to follow up with a light application of fertilizer. Now we're in the middle of summer, so I'm not going to go crazy, I'm just going to give enough to support recovery. In this case, I'll be doing a foliar application with some liquid iron. And of course, I'll make sure that the lawn stays well watered over the next week to help it bounce back. Hey guys, quick side note, if you want to learn how to get some juicy stripes in your lawn without spending any money, check this video here I made on how to do it with your basic lawnmower. Okay, let's get back to the video. So you might be wondering, why even bother verticutting? Because this cultivation practice does more than just scratch the surface. It opens up the canopy, letting light penetrate, air to circulate, and allowing water and nutrients to actually reach the roots where it's most needed. Now this is certainly a refining process, and yes, it might look a little rough at first, but what follows is renewal, strength, and visible transformation. Now let's fast forward 1 week later, and the lawn has bounced back strong. The color is amazing, the turf looks healthier, and you can already see how much of a difference the verticutting has made. So my lawn didn't grow this thick by luck. It grew because all three were working together: water, fertilizer, and cultivation. That's the Lawn Care Trinity, and when all three are in balance, your lawn doesn't just grow, it thrives. So let your lawn be born again, guys. Pull out the old, make room for the new, and allow your lawn to grow and thrive in its fullness. So stay rooted and stay sharp. And remember that when the full trinity is at work in your lawn, it is going to look its best. So that's it for this one, guys. I will see you on the next one. Peace.